of an exemplary and beloved leader. Excellencies, on 26 April this year, the Right Honorable Dr. Achilima joined us in Dar es Salaam during the celebrations of 60 years of our union and had very fruitful discussions with President Samia. As such, the memories of his visit are still fresh in the hearts and minds of our people, and thus this untimely demise has saddened all Tanzanians. Fellow mourners, ladies and gentlemen, as many speakers alluded to, the late Right Honorable Achilima was a great leader and a true Pan-Africanist who always had the interest of his people and Africa at heart. He has lived his life and served his people with outstanding commitment, honesty, and integrity. He was